This is a tour. This is our door. Look, I don't know if you can see through. Oh, you can! There's the grass. Here's our fridge. Kind of empty looking, sad. We haven't done shopping in a while. Look at this yogurt. So now, apparently, they do Yoplait in glass. R.I.P. Michelle. Here are my rides. As you can see, little baby boy and Big Daddy-O right here. Here's our porch. Here's our, I'm afraid like people are gonna hear me talking to myself.
Yeah.
Right. And as you can see, I'm stalking my own roommates. Can't even see you guys through this. What is that?
The fridge.
Anyways, you can see them. I'm going back inside now. Look at my feet. These are records, collections from all decades, including the 10s. Here's our tambourine. Summon the demons. Anyways, here are our puzzles. Farkle. Some cat. Here are some flowers. They're roses if you couldn't tell. Here's our only wall decor in this hallway. The only thing, it's from Vietnam, from the Banking Academy of Vietnam. And as you can see, it's a bunch of rolled up papers. And it turns into a picture. Here's the first bathroom. Kind of a big boy. Here's the toilet. There's my laundry being done. Here's a lot of tampons and pads and all of our cleaning shit. And there's the shower. And there's me. This is Megan's room. It's got a nice grunge look to it. Very earth toned. Megan is present in case if I steal something. There's a nice little wall decor again. Here are her bins for things. Clothes, I assume. There's her penguin. I have one too. Some books. Got a nice outdoor closet. She's got a nice shelf. She reads a lot if you couldn't tell. She skates. Yeah. Cool. We all have our pair of wheels.
Yep.
There's a naked woman and a dude. There's the Ramones. A dog. I'm assuming that's Dempsey?
It's Max.
Is it Max? Okay,
Yeah.
I fucked up. She has
But they
two
look the
dogs.
same.
They look the same. They're all Shih Tzus.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is her desk. She has her own little record player. There's a lamp. And I think I'm gonna go to Douglas's room. There's the Cure. Yeah. So this is Douglas's room. As you can see, he has door art decor. See, it's his room. Door glass. It's got a lot of cool lights. Okay, so I'm gonna press this button and watch.
Oh.
Wow. He loves Snoopy and peanuts. And he loves candles. I mean, who doesn't? Cream puff, bitch. As you can see, he loves his vitamins, as we should all. A very intricate bookshelf thing. IKEA.
No?
He's got
What
his
is it?
fam.
Furniture Warehouse.
Whoa.
Where was it?
American Furniture Warehouse. They're only in Arizona and Colorado.
Okay,
Well, I wouldn't know. I've never touched the state. I will though when I see your tortoise.
We're going.
Then you get adopted.
Yep.
Exactly.
We're
So
getting probed.
I'm ready to get probed by a green thing.
They're gray.
Are they gray?
I think so.
Probably. I don't think they're green.
I don't think they're green. They're not like Marvin the Martian.
No.
Anyways.
Gray makes
So apparently aliens aren't green. Those are his rents. Hi mom, hi dad, dogs, fam, everybody. here is his makeup. He's got his studio lights. He has a shitload of makeup. You see all this? See all this drawers? Yeah, they all have shit in them. IKEA. Another mirror. Look at this, me. Brushes. Those are his glasses, because he's blind. Here are his plants. I'm sure they have names, maybe. He says they're slowly dying. They'll go along with Michelle in memoir.
Michelle.
Michelle is actually alive, folks. She doesn't live here on the weekdays sometimes. This is my door. This is my wall, my door decor. See, I have some good old Japanese charms and shit to protect me from fucking whatever. I have an alien right there, custom made from a friend. And this is my wall stuff and my room. Okay, so I'm cleaning my sheets right now. So, I mean, and it's a bit of a mess. It wasn't like this like a week ago, I swear. Here's my outdoor closet. Gotta represent Japan, woo! And this is my wall stuff. That's a desk. There's the camera with undeveloped film in it. Absinthe, you know, fairies. This is not my makeup. These are my headphones. This is all Michelle's that she is keeping here for good keeping. Yeah?
Safekeeping?
Safekeeping.
Good keeping.
There's me again. Here's my closet. As you can see, it's pretty lit. There's my shit on my windowsill. I don't know what that pipe is doing there. This is a non-smoking household. I don't know whose that is. And now my bathroom. Well, me and Snow's bathroom, but she's not right here right now, so it's technically mine. A lot of pads and shit because it's that time of the month, you know. There are my cool lights, my Nivea bottle, my toothbrush, and my shower with flamingos. No, not Migos, but there's my Cetaphil for my horrible acne-infested face.
It's not even bad, Dale.
It looks, I
No.
feel it looks bad. My acne.
Your skin?
Yeah.
You have like the best skin in this house.
Do I?
Yes.
Damn it.
Oh, I forgot the best part. So,
Yeah.
as you can see, this is the only room that the door is closed. Probably walking by it, you thought, oh my god, I think it's a closet. No, it's another room. Here we go. As you can see. I can't explain the scent, but it smells like boxes, which is understandable because there's a lot of... I also... Can you hear the echo as well? Hello! Hear that? It's good echo, right? Anyways, this is probably the unfinished room. It's kind of like, you know when like you're setting up a garage and you just put like extra stuff from a move? Kind of like that right now. But I'm sure when she comes back, she's gonna immediately start on her room. Maybe. We'll see. It'll be for the next vlog.